Welcome to Home Biz Tax Talk. My name is Lysandra Everett. I am the Home Biz Tax Lady and principal owner of Everett Tax Solutions, where we help you win the tax game. Home Biz Tax Talk airs Monday through Friday. And when you tune into my show, you're going to hear about topics that are important to the small business community. Okay, so I want to talk about the details in this filing extension deadline. So we got the news that the IRS has extended the filing and payment deadline to May 17th. But of course, the devil is in the details, right? Okay, so the extension is for individual 1040 series only. Okay, so that's the Form 1040, your Form 1040 SR, that's for our seniors, 1040 NR for our non-residents, 1040 PR, 1040 SS, and so 1040 series only. Okay, so that means you must file and pay by May 17th. Now, if you need to file an extension, that extension goes to October 15th. Okay. Now, this does not extend the estimated tax payment deadline. So your Q1 estimate is still due on April 15th. Okay. Now, you do get the extension for all of your schedules, like the Schedule H and all the attached schedules that go to your 1040. Those also get the extension. You also get the extension for contributing to your IRA to May 17th. Okay. Now, again, what is not extended are estimated tax payments and also your income tax payments, not your income tax payments, but your employment tax payments. Those are also due. If you are a calendar year corporation, your tax return is still due April 15th. If you are a calendar year trust, your due date is still April 15th. So I just want to make it clear that this extension is only for individual filers. There was never an extension for S Corps and partnerships, the 1120S or the 1065. There was never an extension for that at all. Okay, so if you have not filed that 1120S or 1065 and you did not file an extension, you need to get that done as quickly as possible because you are racking up a $200 per partner per month penalty. Okay, you also get to the extension for contributing to your IRAs, your HSAs, and all of that is extended to May 17th. I'm trying to make sure I don't forget anything. So yeah, that's really it. So if you remember last filing season, when the due date was extended, a whole litany of things was extended. That is not the case this year. This is not a do-over from the last extension. The only thing that is being extended is the individual tax return. And so all of the corporate returns, partnerships, S Corps, calendar year corporations, your filing deadline is still the same. Okay. The April 15th for the calendar year corps. It was March 15th for S Corps and partnerships. And that, also there is an extension for the claims to refunds. So this year is the deadline to claim a 2017 tax refund. Since the deadline is extended, you have until May 17th to claim that refund. But let me just tell you, the extension for last year for claiming a 2016 refund, that has not been going so well. Yes, you had until July 15th to claim that refund because the deadline was moved, but the actual execution of that has been terrible. So if you know, like I know, if you're due a 2017 refund, just request it by April 15th so that, because all of the machines and human intervention are not matching with those refunds and it's taking a lot longer to get those processed. So if you have not filed your 2017 return and you are due a refund, try to get that filed by April 15th. Yeah, you got to May 17th, but try to get it done by April 15th just so that you can stay within normal boundaries and that's not extending your refund, and they're not, like I said, they're not syncing up and automatically kicking back your claim for a refund when the law says that you have that long, because it's machinery and people. I think that's it. So, yep, that is all of the guidance that was issued yesterday regarding the deadline. So govern yourselves accordingly. And, and what does that mean for tax professionals and the whole tax filing process? That means that, if your deadline was moved, your individual deadline was moved, there's still some corporate returns that have to get done. Your return just might take a little bit longer. Have patience with your tax professionals, because we have a lot of different deadlines to juggle to make sure that everyone is in compliance. So that might mean that even though you might be in a rush, the tax professional has got to manage who is due right now versus who is due in May. Okay. And so that's really it. Just know that there's a lot of that going on. I've seen a lot of impatient taxpayers. We know that there are a lot of people that have yet to receive their refunds. We know, but there is nothing we as tax professionals can do about it. All we can do is file. The IRS has it's above us now, right? Once it gets to the IRS, we can't dictate how they release those refunds. Okay. So we know that people are still waiting. There's nothing we can do about it. We haven't gotten any word as to when the IRS is going to release those refunds. They haven't said if they're going to be releasing those refunds with interest and any of that stuff. Okay. So, what we know. And right now, none of us knows. All right. So thank you guys so much for tuning into Home Biz Tax Talk. Again, we air Monday through Friday, and you can go to www.homebiztaxchat.com to get your questions answered about your home business taxes. All right. Have a great day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.